كلێڤەر هەمیشە پێشەنگە.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Daniel. Today me and my friends will talk about elements. Elements are classified into three types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Now let's explain them one by one. First, we'll start with glass. Could you please tell us what's metal?
Hello everyone, my name is Lass and today I'll be explaining about metals. Metals are generally solid at room temperature except for mercury, which is a liquid. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are lustrous, malleable, and ductile, and they have high melting points. Example of metals like these two are made of copper, this aluminum foil, and these are the examples of metal.
Hello guys, my name is Yusuf. Now we're going to talk about the non-metal. Non-metal can be solid, liquid, or gas at a room temperature. They make about 97% of human body composition. They usually have low melting points. Example of the non-metal is wood, glass, plastic, and carbon.
Hi, my name is Hewad, and Las explained about metal, Yusuf explained about non-metal, so it's my turn next to explain about metalloids. Some elements have properties of both metal and non-metal. These elements are called metalloids. For example is silicon. This is the example of silicon.
Thank you so much for listening to us. This will be the end of our conversation. Bye bye.
كلێڤەر هەمیشە پێشەنگە.